Peanut butter's good for you, right? How about peanut butter brownies? I bet they're even better for you. What we're going to do is make a good old peanut butter brownie this evening. I've got here 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Now I'm using a half teaspoon, so I'm going to dip in there twice. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just going to set that aside. Now then, in my big mixer here, I have 1/3 cup of softened butter. And I softened it a little bit too much, so that's why I went ahead and just dumped it in there. But it's softened butter, and to that I'm going to add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So we're going to put the 1/2 cup of peanut butter that has the peanuts in it. This is a crunchy peanut butter. And I'm just going to stick that in there with it. And that's kind of eyeballing it. I didn't measure it out, but that looks like about 1/2 cup. To that I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 2/3 cup of white sugar. And 2 eggs. I like easy recipes. This is a nice easy recipe. And I'm just going to turn that on low and let that begin to mix. Now it doesn't take long for that to mix up. And to that then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Here I have my flour mixture. Just kind of going to stir that baking soda in there. And then I'm going to begin slowly adding that to the peanut butter mixture. Now it has mixed to where that it's nice and fluffy. And to that I'm going to add 1 cup of miniature marshmallows and 1 cup of the little mini chips, chocolate chips. And this is a semi-sweet. And I'm just going to pour that in there. And it is done. Now I have a 9x9 baking dish here that I have sprayed with a non-stick. We used olive oil, sprayed it with olive oil. Any non-stick will work. I like olive oil because it doesn't give it an odd taste. Doesn't add flavor. And then to that I'm going to add our little mixture. Okay, we get that smoothed out all the way to the edge of our pan. We want it, you don't have to press down, we just want it even so that it all bakes even everywhere. And now I'm going to put it into a 350-degree oven for anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, just look at that. Don't that look good? And we're going to set it here. We'll wait until it cools, and then we're going to cut that and have a piece. Or we may have a piece and then let it cool and sit here. Oh well, you'll see.